Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi 13C. For that you will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So you need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just to short together and you're having a screenshot. Directly you can see then here the preview. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just to short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, by the way, you're having also the chance to edit the screenshot if you tap here again on the pen. And what is nice is if you want to crop here a part of the screenshot, just tap here on crop. And then you can crop a part of the screenshot. What is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. Now, after tap here on the checkbox and after on save, and then it will be part of your gallery. And there's a second way to have a screenshot. For that, just scroll down here right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera. So then you're at the control center. If you scroll down here again, and then you will have here the icon to screenshot with a scissor in it. No? And yeah, we're having a screenshot again. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. So take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, where to find the screenshots after? Of course, you had the gallery. And yeah, here the photos, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go here to the albums, because here will have an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.